Okay, guys, here's the layout to size and scale of our kitchen. Looking straight down, obviously still a similar layout to what you have with these added cabinets here on the back side of the peninsula. Glass doors with arched top, and we have arched top for all the uppers only. The base cabinets are squared off, and I was messing around with it, and we can see this funny blue color, but anyway. These base cabinets are 12 inches deep, paneling on the back of the island, or the peninsula. The front of the peninsula has all drawers. Our dishwasher, got a window here, so no cabinets. Our apron sink, and we're going to have to look hard to make sure we can find an apron sink that will fit. Because of this wall only being 55 inches, this sink cabinet isn't a normal width. Most apron sinks are 33 wide. There are some out there that are 30, so we'll have to see what we can come up with. So if we look at this sink cabinet, the inside is 30 inches. The outside's 31.5, so it would be a very tight fit if we can do it. Outside of the cabinet's 31.5, inside's 30. Trash. Trash pull out right here. More drawers on this side. All of our uppers. And I know we were talking about bringing this over all the way. And I think it's going to encroach a little bit too much. This is our sink cabinet. We're drawing an imaginary line from the corner straight out to the corner of this cabinet here. This is the corner of the upper. But one idea is to put just a couple floating shelves here, or stretch this out. I just don't want to come out all the way to the corner because it's going to encroach on you when you're standing in front of the sink. Our upper cabinets, arch tops, the fridge, which comes out deeper, 25.5. Microwave range, a spice pull out. This is obviously a big door with pantry pull outs, drawers to the right. Spice pull out your range, all these pull outs. Microwave will mount here, duct through the cabinet. Walking into the dining room, these are the cabinets to the right. Trash, this is the wall just left of the sink. A couple floating shelves. Stink wall. Dishwasher wall. This is behind your table, your kitchen table. Glass uppers. These bases are 12 deep. The uppers are 12 deep. Then this is the front of the peninsula. Okay, let me know what you think of this, and if you have some changes, let me know, and we can work on them. Thanks, guys.